Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then my name is Deandra and thank you so much for stopping by. Alright y'all, so today I'm going to be reviewing a brand new product, and it is not a natural hair product. It is actually press-on nails by Luxxi. So this is not going to be a first impressions video because I have ordered from this company about 4 or 5 times, but I wanted to just try them out first for a while so that I can give y'all my honest full review on them. Since I have tried different styles and different lengths, I feel like I can give y'all a more well-rounded review since I have tried them several times. So if you don't know, I am all about self-sufficiency. I do my own hair, including protective styles. I do my own eyebrows, and I also do my own nails. And lately, press-on nails have just come such a long way because I swear they used to look so fake to me. Like you could tell that they were press-on nails, but nowadays these nails look literally like salon quality without the salon price or the salon time, because we have things to do and we don't have time to be spending an hour and a half in the nail salon. So I've been trying out different press-on nails, and the first ones that I really have been trying have been these Luxxi nails. So this package was actually sent to me by Luxxi, but I did purchase the first few on my own with my own money. This is just my official collab that I'm doing with them, but I'm still gonna give you guys my honest review and all of my honest thoughts. So I sent them a couple of styles that I liked, and we're gonna see which ones they actually ended up sending me. Alright, so it comes with this little card that just thanks me for getting the nails. And they actually sent me the 2 that I asked for. So I'm so excited, especially about these, because they literally match the shirt that I'm wearing right now. So they are a really pretty green color, and I just felt like they were perfect for spring, and I did have this shirt in mind when I asked for them. Don't judge me. And the other nails I got are these colorful ones that come with a lot of different pastel spring colors, which is also perfect for this time of year. So I'm super excited about both of these, but I think I gotta do the green ones, y'all. Like, the fact that they match this shirt so well is like, it's like I have to do it. I have to do it. All right, so I'm just gonna read the back so that you guys can know what the instructions say. So for prep, it says to remove any nail polish and trim down your natural nails. Wash hands thoroughly with soap. Buff the nails gently using the nail file and push back cuticles with the wooden stick. And then you have to wipe each nail using the alcohol wipe provided. So for the application, you can either use the adhesive tabs or you can use the glue application. And I've actually never tried the adhesive tabs, but these say that they are more for 1 to 2 day wear. So I guess if you just wanted your nails for like one occasion or something, but I'm always gonna do the glue because I want my nails to last more than a couple of days. So with the glue, it says up to 14-day wear. And it just says to apply a thin layer of glue to the back of the artificial nail. Then you apply a small dot of glue to the natural nail, align with your cuticle, and gently press on and hold for 15 seconds. And it tells you to avoid contact with water for the first hour. And it also says to apply enough glue to avoid air pockets, secure properly, and extend wear time. And the kit comes with 24 nails, a manicure stick, file, glue, and prep pad. So it comes with everything that you need. You don't have to go out and buy any extras. Everything comes in this kit. So I'm gonna go and apply these nails, and then I will be back to show y'all what they look like. All right, y'all, so I'm back and they look so pretty. I love them. So I didn't do like an actual pattern. The green part is on different sides of the nail, but I kind of did my own little pattern. I don't know, I'm just weird like that. I don't like them to all be the exact same, and so I just think it kind of gives it like a nice look. But they look so pretty. I love the color, I love the length. They just are everything. I have a little bit of glue on my fingers, but I'm not gonna worry about that for right now, since it does say to not wash your hands and try to avoid water for at least an hour. But the glue comes off pretty easily. You can either use soap and water, or you can just use like a nail file to buff it off your fingers if you want to. It's really no big deal. I'm just a little bit heavy-handed with my glue sometimes, so that's probably my fault. But yeah, I really love these. I love the design, and that's honestly one of the reasons why I love Luxxi nails so much. They have so many cute designs, and it literally looks like you went to the nail salon and got somebody to do some pretty designs on your nails. And they're way cheaper, because y'all all know if you go to the nail salon and ask them for a specific design, they're probably gonna charge you extra. We don't have time. So that is why I absolutely love Luxxi nails. They have so many different designs. They have simple designs, they have more complicated designs. Pretty much anything that you want, they probably have them on their site. So the number one question that y'all are probably wondering is, do they actually last 14 days? Now I will say that the package says up to 14 days. It doesn't actually say that they're gonna last you 14 days. And for the most part, they do last 2 weeks, but you're probably gonna lose a few here and there, especially if you are using the longer nails like these. I found that when I ordered the ones that were shorter, they actually lasted a little bit better, which makes sense, because if your nails are longer, then you're gonna bump them on more things, and it's just gonna make it more likely that they're gonna pop off. So if you are worried about them lasting like the full 2 weeks, then you might want to opt for the shorter nails. And a lot of times I like to get the shorter nails too, but other times I like to, you know, have my long nails. We all love some long nails. So that is one thing that I will say. The longer nails do pop off easier if you bump them on stuff. But for the most part, they do last really well. And even if they do pop off, it's no big deal. All you have to do is just buff the glue off of the press-on nail, and then apply more glue to your real nail and to the artificial nail, and you're good to go again. It takes like 30 seconds to do that. So it's really no big deal if they do pop off. It's not like you have to go all the way back to the nail salon to get your nail fixed. And another thing that I love about these is that they are not flimsy. So I've tried press-on nails that are kind of thin and flimsy, and those pop off so easily. But these are a lot more sturdy, they're a lot thicker, and I feel like that also makes them look more like real gel nails versus the thinner ones. You can kind of tell that those are press-on nails, but these, people literally think that these are real salon nails all the time. Every single time that I wear my Luxxi nails, I get tons of compliments, and people always ask me, who did your nails, who did your nails? And I'm like, I did. So don't have to worry about them being too thin, because these are good quality nails. And because they are such good quality, you can use them multiple times. So I actually have some of these nails that I still have over like on my dresser that I can pull out if I just want to switch up my nails, because you can save them. Like once they come off, once you're tired of them, you can put them to the side, and then you can glue them right back on whenever you want. So you kind of have like a nice little stash of different nails that you can pull out if you're trying to match them with a specific outfit or something. It's perfect because they last a long time. After a while, you do have to throw them away and get some new ones, of course, but you can definitely use them a few times before you have to throw them away. So the last thing that I'm gonna touch on is the removal of these nails. So to remove them, it says to soak your nails in warm soapy water for 10 minutes and then carefully lift the sides of the artificial nail and remove it fully. If the nail is still on strong, soak for another 2 to 3 minutes. So I'm gonna be honest, y'all, I've never had to do that before. I've never had to actually soak my nails off. Usually by the time that I'm ready to take them off, they're already kind of popping off anyway. And so I'm usually able to just kind of carefully pop them off without having to do anything extra. But if you are, let's say, trying to only wear them for a couple of days and then you want to take them off, you probably will have to do the soapy water method. But for the most part, these come off super easily, so you don't have to worry about that. And you can just set them to the side for whenever you want to put them back on again. Alright y'all, so I think that is everything that I have to say about these Luxxi press-on nails. If you have tried these, please let me know down below. Let me know what you think about these. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we have hit 600 subscribers and we are on our way to 1K subbies. So make sure that you join the clique. Thank y'all so much for watching this video and I will see y'all next Friday. Bye.